Panels, stand proudly as the proposition team. We will present to you why supporting this motion is worth it and also why supporting this motion is important. So, in the first place, we must know why this is happen. So let's characterize it. We think that this motion is happening in the Asian countries, and the Asian countries is have a nature and culture dependency in its tourism, and also they have a really cheap tourism that will attract the tourists to visit their countries. And also, we think that the medical sector in the Asian countries, especially in Singapore, in the Thailand, this is it's good because their quality, but not many people visiting them. And why the mechanism in the status quo is fail? We in the status quo we have the mechanism for charge them more, but with the wait this is risky, and I think this is will not working. Why? Because once your country is cheap as get stampled as a cheap tourism, people will counting more if you charge them even with $1 higher only, they will think again to visit your country, and this is not reliable. So, um, what is our manifestation? In the end, we want to have a countries that have a good medical facility, top tier medical facility, but also we want to charge more in our tourism sector, and also we want to don't have a dependency in the nature and culture sector of tourism. What is the manifestation is your country will be not get stable again as the backwards countries, and you will have a good medical healthcare and facility, but also you can charge the tourists more, and this is beneficial for your countries because your country assistance is to prosper your people, and this is one of the way to prosper your people. But also, let's I clarify my argument. Just because we support and prioritize the healthcare tourism is not mean that we will abandon the nature and culture era sector of tourism. So in the end, you will still have a safety net of those sector for your tourism. Move into my argument. My argument is I want to diversify the tourism sector have a have a top share of medical in my country, in the Asian country, and eventually the government can charge more from the tourists and get more tax to prosper its people. So what see in the status quo happen? In the status quo, as the Asian countries, you will still depend on the nature and culture sector that will be stempeled as cheap destination around the visitor of the foreign overseas that come to your countries. But also this is also segmented because nature and culture is not exclusive. All of the country have their own unique culture and nature. So um to get uh to get rest for them, you must have a thing that different from them, and one of those things is medical tourism. And also you have a medical facility that you must you must stand for it, you must pay for it, and the one way to make this happen is to make as many as possible people that use your medical treatment in your countries. But what will happen if you not do what we do? You will have a dependency on the nature and sector of the tourism, and this is not sustainable, and eventually you cannot charge the foreigner for more higher, and eventually you can have that much of income, and you can get prosperity for your people, and eventually because not many people use your medical treatment will be get more lower, and eventually the qualities will not good. What is the best that will happen in the opposition side? The opposition side will be have let's say the good tourism that only rely on the nature and culture sector, and this is bad because first they cannot charge more, and two, their country will be get stempeled as cheap destination countries. But also, uh, this is not sustainable, and people will be get bored for your countries, and I can say that this is not you want to happen, and eventually because of this people get bored, and this is cheap, eventually you will have over tourism. What is the proof? Just take a look in the Bali, and also take a look in the Bangkok. They are have over tourism, and also you will get of dependency into sector. So what is in our side that will happen in our side. In the best scenario is you will have a good medical facility that can be accessible for everyone, for the foreigner and also for your own citizen, and this is will improve your life your life quality of the Asian countries, and eventually make the government stamp as good governments. But also we will we will have a diversified sector of the tourism, and also you will have a safety net that will protect your country from become more poorer. But what is the worst case scenario in our side? The worst case scenario of our side is, yeah, you will uh, eventually your medical tourism will is not always working perfectly, but you will still have a safety net of the nature and culture sector. But also because you have a good medical facility, your citizen will still get prosper through the medicine and healthcare industry. They can be treated all right, and the government will be stand as good. So eventually we stand up with this motion because 3 points. We think first, this is sustainable. Two, this is reliable, and three, this is beneficial for any side, for the government, for the citizen, and for the tourists. So I proud to be the proposition side.